Yep. They come near me and hurry up and get out of their vehicles, and then they start doing that banging and fake construction. That the time revolves around me. So, people act like as if I'm violating YouTube's policies just by exposing my gang stalking, and that's not the case. Because when other TIs do it, it's not breaking the rules. It's not violating their privacies. But they can violate my privacy. If people didn't violate my privacy, I would still have my job by now. But you know what? I do deserve something better and higher than a teenage trampoline job. I do. And I must say it. Yeah, I deserve something better and higher than that. I have a whole damn bachelor's degree. So,